Then there was no looking back. By the age of 21, he was already a millionaire through his different sources of income. Here, hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I am Aaron Dias, founder and CEO of Signature Turned Autograph, MC by hobby and student by profession. So let's start with today's video. This story is about that person who changed his status from middle class to millionaire by 21. He is a person who put Goa on digital map. Yes, he is no other than founder of Andrew Guru, Nigel Codrose. Nigel was born in Diwar Island of Goa. From childhood, he had marketing skills. During class, when he was found talking with his friends, his teachers would change his place and make him sit between two girls. Within no time, he would make friendship with them also. In our childhood, what we used to do? Tom and Jerry, Doraemon. Till today, Nigel has not watched one episode of Tom and Jerry. During this time, he used to do coding, write articles for Times of India and O Heraldo, create websites for clients and so on. By the age of 19, he started Andrew Guru, a website, a crowd community platform where people can make their buying decisions, like compare which latest phone is better than the other and so on. This journey was not easy. He had to face a lot of financial problems, managing team members and so on. Soon his hard work got paid off and he was selected as one of the youngest of Goa to attend and be a featured partner at the AnDevCon, which is the world's largest Android developer conference in Boston. Then there was no looking back. By the age of 21, he was already a millionaire through his different sources of income. Here is a small clip from one of his interviews.
My dad had told me when I left to Qatar at 21, he told me, he said, Nigel, you can be one of the two. Make a lot of money, zero contacts. Or make amazing contacts, and those contacts will put money on the table for you.
Nigel also started learning about investing in stock market and was successful in creating a good portfolio. During the 2020 lockdown, when common people were losing their money, Nigel multiplied his investment 6 times within 6 months with just one stock. His friends who don't have stock market knowledge and don't want to invest in FDs keep their money with Nigel, and they are guaranteed that Nigel will generate good returns for them so that they can finance their marriage as well as future goals. Nigel, I also want to marry soon. Hope you will manage my portfolio as well. As on date, Nigel gets more than 1 million visitors per month on his website. He's also starting with his new venture called Lyrics Dakoi, where all Goan Konkani song lovers will get lyrics of their favorite songs, and now you all can listen to your favorite song with lyrics. Nigel has a habit of collecting gadgets and he has more than 75 cell phones, that is from Nokia Asha till the latest iPhone in working condition. When I said that you can become a billionaire by selling your antique collection of gadgets, the reply I got was, I don't want to make billions, but I want to change life of billion people. This was the story of millionaire Nigel Codrose. You can also check out my other videos like the story of Dominic D'Souza, first Goan HIV patient, Dr. Pramod Sawant, current CM of Goa, and so on. Do you know anyone who has worked hard to achieve success? Or who is working for the betterment of society? Or do you have any love story to share like Nitesh Prajapat and Dimple Palmer? Or would you like to say thank you to your closed ones for all their efforts? Then you are free to contact us. मेहनतीन वावरतल्या हातांनी अधिकार असता, पूण आळशाक जबरदस्तीचो वावर फावो जाता.
They give me the money, I can make more money for them. So they don't put it as FDs. They tell me, Nigel, you take this money, manage it. When I'm getting married, I'll take it. So even when the COVID came, when everything was downsizing, I was upsizing. Instead of buying a small size McDonald's meal, I was buying an upsize McDonald's.